In this video, we will talk about big tech is using AI to control you. Wake up, so make sure to watch the full video. Big tech is quietly reshaping how you live, think, and decide, all through the power of artificial intelligence. AI algorithms analyze your every click, search, and like to deliver personalized content, but this convenience often comes at the cost of your autonomy. From curating your social media feed to influencing your shopping habits, AI systems subtly guide your choices while collecting vast amounts of personal data. These technologies exploit psychological tricks to keep you hooked, often prioritizing profits over well-being. As AI's control deepens, understanding its influence and protecting yourself from manipulation has never been more critical. Are you ready to take back control? 1. Understanding the power of big tech. How AI influences your choices. Big tech companies have harnessed the immense power of AI to influence your everyday decisions in ways you might not even notice. From the ads you see to the news you read and the content recommended to you, AI is constantly steering your choices. This control extends beyond online interactions, shaping opinions, political preferences, and even purchasing behavior. By leveraging advanced algorithms, these companies analyze your data to predict and manipulate your actions, creating a sense of dependency while profiting from your engagement. The question remains, how much of your autonomy are you willing to surrender? 2. The rise of AI algorithms, shaping your online experience. AI algorithms now dictate much of your online experience, from what you see on your social media feed to the search results delivered to you. These algorithms are designed not just to serve your preferences but to keep you engaged, often prioritizing content that triggers strong emotional reactions. Over time, they create echo chambers, reinforcing your beliefs and isolating you from differing perspectives. This personalization, while convenient, limits exposure to diverse ideas and can influence your worldview in subtle yet profound ways. The rise of AI has reshaped how you interact with technology, but is this shaping truly for your benefit? 3. Data manipulation, how your information fuels AI control. Every click, like, and search contributes to a vast data pool that fuels AI systems. This data allows big tech companies to profile you, predict your behavior, and even nudge you toward specific decisions. By manipulating the data they collect, these companies can subtly influence your interests and habits, often prioritizing profits over your well-being. The extent of this data collection and its use for manipulation raises ethical questions about privacy and consent. Are you aware of how much information you're giving away, and how it's being used to control your actions? 4. AI and personalization, helpful tool or hidden manipulation? Personalization seems harmless. It's convenient to have content tailored to your preferences. However, AI-driven personalization goes deeper, subtly nudging you toward behaviors and beliefs that benefit the companies controlling the technology. The content you see, the ads you're served, and even the opinions you form may be the result of calculated algorithms designed to maximize engagement, often at the expense of truth and diversity. This hidden manipulation blurs the line between genuine choice and algorithmic influence, leaving you to wonder whether personalization is truly helpful or just a tool for control. 5. The illusion of free will. Are your decisions truly your own? The choices you make online may feel like they come from your own free will, but AI systems are increasingly guiding your actions. By analyzing your behavior patterns, these systems predict your needs and present curated options, often nudging you toward predetermined outcomes. This creates the illusion of choice while gradually eroding your autonomy. Whether it's buying a product, voting for a candidate, or forming an opinion, your decisions are shaped by the invisible hand of AI, raising concerns about how much control you truly have over your life. 6. Social media and AI, controlling what you see and believe. Social media platforms use AI to determine the content you engage with, prioritizing posts and ads that align with your interests, or that will keep you scrolling. This AI-driven system doesn't just cater to your preferences, it actively shapes them by amplifying certain voices, ideas, or products. Over time, this creates a curated reality that can distort your perception of the world. By controlling what you see, AI systems indirectly influence what you believe, making it essential to question the information presented to you and its potential impact on your worldview. 7. The psychological tricks of AI. How big tech keeps you hooked. AI is designed to exploit your psychology, using techniques like dopamine triggering notifications, infinite scrolls, and hyper-personalized content to keep you engaged for as long as possible. These tricks are not accidental, they are carefully engineered to hold your attention, increasing screen time and driving profits for tech companies. By understanding how your brain works, AI systems manipulate your behavior in ways that can be addictive, creating a cycle that's hard to break. This raises questions about ethical responsibility and the long-term effects on mental health and society. 8. Privacy at risk, how AI tracks and analyzes every move. Your privacy is under constant threat as AI systems track your every move online. From your browsing history to your location and even your private messages, this data is collected, stored, and analyzed to create detailed profiles of who you are. These profiles are used not just for targeted advertising but also to predict and influence your behavior. The sheer scale of this surveillance poses a significant risk to your personal freedom, making it critical to understand how your data is being used and take steps to protect it. 9. Fighting back, steps to protect yourself from AI domination. While AI's influence may seem overwhelming, there are steps you can take to reclaim control. Start by being more mindful of your online behavior and the data you share. Use privacy tools, limit your social media usage, and educate yourself on how algorithms work. Advocate for stricter regulations to hold big tech accountable for their use of AI. By taking proactive steps, you can reduce the impact of AI-driven manipulation and ensure your choices remain your own, rather than dictated by invisible algorithms. 10. The future of AI control. Will big tech decide for humanity? As AI continues to advance, the question of who controls these systems becomes increasingly urgent. Big tech companies are at the forefront, developing AI technologies that have the potential to shape humanity's future. Without transparency and accountability, these systems could prioritize profit over ethical considerations, leading to a world where decisions are made by algorithms rather than humans. The future of AI control lies in striking a balance between innovation and ethical responsibility, ensuring that technology serves humanity rather than dominating it. AI is becoming an invisible force, shaping decisions and influencing your daily life in ways you might not even notice. While its advancements bring convenience, they also pose significant risks to your privacy, autonomy, and worldview. Big tech's use of AI for profit often prioritizes manipulation over user well-being, raising concerns about its ethical implications. The good news is that awareness is the first step to reclaiming control. By understanding how AI systems work and taking steps to protect your data, you can reduce their influence. The question remains, will you let AI dictate your life or take back control? What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.